To consistently produce high-quality paper cups, choose NEWTOP high-speed intelligent paper cup machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you the 5000D high-speed intelligent paper cup machine from NEWTOP. Widely used in high-end boards, upscale shaped takeaway packing boards. The 5000D can produce high-end paper boards with paper thickness of 380 to 500 micron. This type of machine's capacity is up to 60 pieces per minute, stable and good quality. Stability and quality comes from excellent structure design and high-precision parts processing. Importing the world's top digital processing center, Japanese LG Mazak Fluxo Intelligent Production Line, and processing equipment such as Tsugami, Doosan, DMG, and Harting to ensure every component on the equipment, which is high precision. The 5000D model is mainly produced large and special-shaped paper containers, such as rectangular shape, oval shape, hot air, and ultrasonic working together for stronger side sealing. 3-step hot air for bottom sealing. Ensure the bottom knurling is more stronger to avoid the leakage problem. 4-station for top curling to make sure the top curling quality is more better. NEWTOP strive for excellent blowing the field of paper cup machine for 23 years with the spirit of craftsmanship, the pursuit of high quality, and the concept of technological leadership. Every time to create new value for customers and work hard. Stable, durable, and good quality. NEWTOP intelligent paper cup machine. Make the work so simple.